everyone. Argyle just arrived in my shop and I thought I would take you for the tour. It comes in 2 different sizes and it's layered so you can get a true Argyle look. Step 1 is to stencil the diamonds first. Once that is complete, you take the sheet of thin lines and lining up the little registration marks to 2 painted diamonds, you are ready to go. I am applying Argyle onto a TV tray, and because I desire to rotate the color of the diamonds, I created a template out of a page protector to keep the paint exactly where I want it to go. Oh my goodness, that's adorable as is. However, if you'd like to go for the full meal deal, you line up your little registration marks to your painted diamonds and you're ready for the second layer. I am completely smitten. It's adorable. So my next plan is to let that cure a bit, and then I will go over the whole entire thing with a light stain to finish it up. My stain of choice is a custom blend of golden pine and a little bit of cappuccino from Fusion's Stain and Finishing Oil all in one.